Moto Nana Eats.
What's up mga kanomnoms? Andito na naman tayo. Another day, another vlog, and another food review. So, nasan ba tayo ngayon? We are in Makati. Ayan, nasa Makati tayo mga kanomnoms. May binisita lang kami ni Direk. At meron isang restaurant na tinawag kami. As in, alam mo yung pag nakakita ka ng isang bagay o isang restaurant, yung parang nilulure ka kumain doon. Yun yung naramdaman namin dito. Ayan, so kakain tayo sa, makikita nyo naman dyan, Persia Grill. Yan, matatagpuan siya sa ground floor ng Ayala North Exchange. And, ayan yung address. Okay? So, nakikita nyo naman yung kanyang vibe, yung kanyang ambience. May pagka, yung design niya parang Middle Eastern yung dating. Yan, very good. Very good talaga. Ang arte dahil ba nasa Makati. So, ayan ang menu nila. Check nyo na lang.
Moto Nana Eats.
We got the falafel and hummus na may kasama na ring pita bread. Kebab combo, beef kebab and kebab tikka. And we got the lamb chop steak. Sheesh! Yung garlic mayo sauce and yung hot sauce nila, it's okay. We've had better, pero it's okay naman. Falafel and hummus. Yung falafel niya, it's okay naman. Masarap yung lasa niya. It's very flavorful, kaya lang medyo tough and dry yung loob niya. Pero okay naman. Yun ang masasabi namin sa falafel. Tapos sa hummus naman, it tastes good, but it lacks oil and it's almost like a paste. Kapag kumakain tayo ng hummus, nasa more on the creamy side siya. Normally, kapag dinip mo yung pita bread, masama kagad yung hummus. Pero now, parang you have to scoop it out. The pita itself is a bit thick and hard. Yung dating ng pag yung pita bread medyo nahangin na ng konti. Yun, medyo ganun siya. We'll give the falafel and hummus a 3/5. For the kebab combo, the rice is cooked well, which is very good. Beef kebab, it has that mild kebab taste, pero baka kaya hindi umaangat yung lasa niya dahil medyo dry siya and hindi siya ganun ka-juicy. But again, the taste is there, kaya nga lang, hindi siya nag-explode sa mouth katulad ng ibang kebab na nakainan namin. Shallow kebab tikka, we can't really explain the taste, pero ito yung kahit dry, yung lasa niya sumasabog. Slightly spicy siya, if hindi ka rin mahilig sa maanghang, baka hindi mo to magustuhan. Pero hindi siya yung typical cumin na mga spices. Para rin tong may ibang klaseng spice and it might take you on a different journey. Pero again, if hindi ka mahilig sa spices, baka hindi mo to magustuhan. Overall, the kebab combo will rate it a 3.3/5. The highlight is the lamb chop steak, good for its price. Also, they asked for your preferred doneness and they definitely delivered. When we asked for mid-rare, that's what they gave us. The amount of rice and side salad were good as well matched with the steak, and the steak was indeed the star. It was seasoned well and very juicy, and it was served hot. Yung pinaka-importante, yung mainit na steak. And yung seasoning niya, may Middle Eastern twist pa rin, kaya bumagay yung sauce nila, especially the garlic sauce, and we will definitely come back for the steak. So, we'll rate that a 5/5. Yep. For overall experience, we gave it a 4. Well-themed ambiance yung dating nila. Cold yung aircon nila, yung CR nila may bidet, and masarap yung steak nila. Last bite mga kanomnoms! That's it, pansit, and it's a wrap.
Moto Nana Eats.